Now that you know a little bit more about the library, let's take a look at some of the more specialized services located here on the second floor. First stop, the Technology Sandbox. This is a community space where everyone can learn by doing, for whatever project you're working on. Here, you can borrow and learn how to use all kinds of tools and tech, 3D printing and scanning, virtual reality headsets, green screens, game consoles, microphones, robotic kits and electronics are just a few of the tools we have for you to use, and there are always staff members here to help get you started. Next, we'll head past the loans desk to the course reserves room. Sometimes your professors will have materials set aside for your class to let all students have access to them. These are called course reserves. This means you can use textbooks and course materials for free. You can find out what materials are in the course reserves room on our website, or if you aren't sure, just ask us at the Ask Us desk or at the loans desk.
We have lots of material here for you to use. But what if you need something that we don't have? As a Concordia student, you also have access to the library material from other universities in Quebec, Canada, and abroad. You can request books, articles, and other items and pick them up here at the Webster loan desk or at the Vanier Library.
Now that you know all about the second floor, let's head upstairs and take a look at some of our workspaces. In our next video, we'll show you how to choose between our amazing spaces based on what you need.